Hello, welcome to the video. My name's Gabriela Rogozin, and today I'm going to be discussing the proposed agency that I would like to work with for my capstone project, and this is Healthy Beginnings Plus. So a little bit about Healthy Beginnings Plus. It's a free program that's offered to all expectant mothers that are eligible for medical assistance. The program is through Lancaster General Health Penn Medicine. The goal of the agency is basically to provide accessible healthcare to pregnant women and to help give babies the best shot in life by giving them good care before they're born. The care team consists of doctors, nurse midwives, nurse care coordinators, and also social workers. And the goal also is just to give excellent medical care in an accessible way, provide comprehensive care and education. So, as we discussed earlier, the population served are pregnant women, postpartum women. This also includes the infant for a certain amount of time, I believe 2 months after the baby is born, and also women who qualify for medical assistance that are pregnant. So the different services provided through the agency, they're provided through different providers, of course. So the doctors or nurse midwives are the ones that actually perform the complete prenatal care, so prescribing any medications that they need to, ordering any tests, ultrasounds, things like that. They also deliver the babies, they provide postpartum care, and then the care to the infant after it's born. Then they can also offer family planning options such as medications like birth control pills, or discussing further surgical options to family planning. The nurse care coordinator basically does lots of education for the pregnant woman and also assessing the pregnant woman at the visits, measuring vital signs, documenting things, administering any vaccinations needed. So the education includes diet, activity, exercise, helping the woman to prepare for labor and delivery, and also helping to prepare the woman and the family for bringing the baby home and what to expect after the baby is born. And the social worker helps to coordinate different aspects of care and needs such as transportation to appointments, things like that, and they can also help assist the woman with applying to medical assistance programs as well. Some additional services that are provided: there's childbirth classes, exercise classes, nutrition classes, and breastfeeding classes that are overseen by lactation consultants that help to educate women about nursing their infant after they give birth. So what I hope to perform. We can perform duties within our scope of practice during this capstone project. So as a nursing student, I can kind of like watch the nurse perform her duties, and then I can also assess vital signs, perform physical assessments, and of course the nurse would be performing their own physical assessments, but I could learn by watching and then also performing myself, and then really just using my therapeutic communication skills and providing that emotional support to both expectant mothers and families in this very emotional time. And then also helping to educate the woman on healthy pregnancy habits. So what I hope to learn. I hope to learn lots of different things through this project. I really just would like to get a good idea of all the different aspects of care that are involved with a pregnant woman, how to perform assessments, what they're looking for in the different stages of pregnancy development, how care is coordinated for these clients, the different education that's performed, and also the disease processes related to pregnancy. And here are my references, and thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have a good day.